Okay, well, here's somebody I know nothing about, and there's some pictures of the guy that I know nothing about, but of course I want to learn about him. So if you wouldn't mind telling me a little bit about him, that'd be interesting. And I'm going to walk down the street that's named after him. Actually, this is Cinatti Street, a real busy one, but it looks like there's kind of follows the waterfront, and basically this one is called Avenida. So we're going to follow Avenida. It starts down that way near the water, and then I believe it goes down like that because that one is all under the same name, and I don't know if it's Avenida or a different name, but we're going to find out. And we're not too far from Top Fusion and the water. So so stay tuned, and we're going to check it out, this particular street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. There's our man right there. And actually there's like a portrait of a Chinese junk, which is interesting. I guess that must be related to him. And we kind of got all kinds of interesting stuff. I'm going to find out more about him in the future. And there's actually a lot of fresh fish, which we're going to walk down that street. That's an interesting little transition on our way. So let's put this phone away, and we're going to do further research later about him. But I do want to capture the street that he's on, which is this one right here. And I think this little street is also connected to it as well. And that goes down to the waterfront, but I think this also follows the waterfront over on this side as well. So we're going to walk down it, and we're going to show you what the street is all about. Let me see if there's a green light I'm going to go across. Just a red light, so I'll just follow this one. But that street over there is definitely part of his as well. Wait. Oh, that's actually a different name. But I think this actually connects down this one because I saw it. I guess it's a hotel right here. So I think we're going to walk down. This is private road, but we're going to go down it anyways. This is a hotel, and our focus street, I believe, is this one right here because I was walking down it earlier and it had the same name as well. So for some reason that one is Avenida. And you can see the waterfront, some cranes and such like that. I kind of want to stay on this side of the street because you'll see why in a second. So we're going to be walking directly down that way. And it looked like that street had a different name. Let's see what this is called. But this whole area is called Botane. That's called Travessa de Mau, and that one's kind of interesting because of this fish restaurant right here. And I've seen pictures. I just saw that other picture was related to that. And actually we've got our same name again right here. So there's Avenida de Deme, Cinatti. So we actually are on our correct Avenida. And I knew it had his name, but I didn't know if it was Avenida or something else. But anyways, it looks like the Avenida is a little spot down that way, and then there's different street name. So maybe that actually wraps around like that. It comes around and it's all the Avenida. But nonetheless, we're on it. I think it's a cool place to sit. A lot of people just kind of sit in here, right? And it's really photogenic. You can sit and capture. And there's even some other photographers as well right there. So I think people might come in here and photograph a little bit. I can see why. And there's a waterfront over that way. You can kind of see some ships on that direction, and we are going to go over on that side in a second. But I want to stick to this side first. I just want to capture some of these alleys. It's kind of interesting. This alley goes right up, and then there's a big wall right there. And actually we have a lot of it's kind of the waterfront. I want to get over to that waterfront. Let me just kind of see. So it looks like a lot of these go right up to that wall right there. Kind of an industrial area. It's pretty cool though. So I want to go across the street real quick, and I'm going to try to get across here if I can. And actually what I want to do is I want to try to go down this little waterfront. Right here, you can actually see, you can see the boats. And I think we're going to come along like this. And if they let me, I can walk straight down that way. I don't know if they'll let me. I don't know if that's private or not. But you can kind of see the waterfront right there, and you can see all the boats that go all the way down like that. So yeah, this area is kind of marked by ships and boats. It's really cool. Let me see. Private, prohibited entrance. I think that's for cars. It's like the cars aren't supposed to go in there, but anyways. So that's interesting. So whatever this guy's name is, the Demetrio, he's definitely a Portuguese guy. I wonder if he's from the same era. I just don't know anything about him, so I'm gonna have to do some research. Actually, if you go down that way, that's a nice little building, that purple and yellow one, and it leads right into all these little cool streets. It's like little Avenidas de Patane, Palmeira is in there, Pedra is in there. They have all these little interesting parallel streets. Oh wow! So now we can see this ship right here, and also this ship too. That ship is just starting to set sail. You got the crew that's out there. You got a dog on the ship. It's pretty cool. And also, like, I love this this waterfront because you don't really get access to see this very much in Macau. So I wish they had more tourism just to be able to see this kind of stuff, because it is kind of special. It is kind of cool. And Macau, like the whole entire history is just basically like ships going in and out of Macau, anyways. So that's actually really amazing. The sun is just starting to come down as well, so we're going to get the sunset. And that right there is just amazing that, you know, there's people that live right in that spot. I wonder how much that would cost to rent like that. Somebody would pay a lot of money to have that, you know, like but I'm sure they make a lot of money off of that as well. And you got some really beautiful buildings like that right across the street as well. Oh, now you can see it inside. That looks amazing. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Yeah, check out those apartments too. You got some nice apartments like right there that would overlook the water. You have a little gap like that. The photographer's right there. Now we're gonna come into here. But you got more of that as well. That's amazing. They got a little pier right there as well. Some prime real estate. And actually all these people that live here, actually this traffic is kind of loud, to be honest. So it's not ideal by any stretch. That guy has a couple dogs over there. Another one. Kind of see another pier right there. Check out all those corner. There's all these corner apartments right there. We got another one. I think the best one I saw was the first one. Avenida de Cinatti. Gotta find out more about that guy. So, okay. Now I gotta walk on the street a little bit. If I get a chance, I'll maybe run across. Maybe not. Actually, my introduction scene, I was right in here where the one where they throw the fish into those little containers. It was like right in this kind of space. It might have been where all these blue containers were at. And I can see inside the harbor there. Yeah, this whole area is really photogenic. Yeah, this street has, it brings in all the food into Macau directly. Under the waterfront again. So you got all the fish as well. Kind of cool image. Yeah, very cool image. Okay. Yeah, I think sometimes I feel like Macau doesn't really realize how beautiful those waterfront is, you know, with all those little piers, you know, for the docks, I mean. There's another one right there. Yeah, those look really beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Obviously it's gonna kind of capture it like that. So we basically started way down at the end, that way, and yeah, actually there's a lot of new development way over there as well. And we're just kind of walking down towards the pier. I think we're walking towards Pier 16, I think. That'd be kind of cool if we could go up there. Sure that's not allowed. Okay. Got a nice parking garage right there, and then we have another entrance. So we're still in our Avenida, and I think our Avenida will turn into something different over here. Very, very cool. Beautiful. You can even see that bird kind of walking along the edge near the that tin siding. And I'm pretty sure that this street will end, I think it's going to end right here, so we're going to just let these ones go by real quick. We could go down further. We should have the right of way, so we're going to take it. I think this street actually has a different, oh, she might be homeless there. So now we're kind of out in this area here. Yeah, I think she's homeless. So it's kind of our target street. Hello. I don't know if you said it to me or not. I thought I heard like a hello. So I think the Edinburgh Street is right over here. So we're gonna try to cross over one more time, and then we're gonna try to walk down a little bit more, if it's possible. Look at all those cars. So I think we might not be able to get across the street. But you can definitely see the waterway all the way down that way. I think we're gonna end our street, and I'm gonna just walk across that main street and do a different street altogether. So hope you enjoyed that one. Dimitri Cinatti. Have to check it out and get to know that person a little bit more. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la